top graduates to get special UK visas, Telegraph. A post-Brexit immigration proposal includes granting work permits to graduates of prestigious colleges like Harvard and Yale. An official announcement is expected on Monday to enable holders of bachelor's or master's degrees to apply for a 2-year visa, while holders of doctorates may apply for a 3-year visa, according to the newspaper's sources. According to the visa, applicants would be able to bring their family along with them. It is one of the newest initiatives aimed at promoting the advantages of Brexit, as Prime Minister Boris Johnson tries in recent months to move on from the Partygate controversy that has scuppered his leadership. British retailers will be able, but not forced, to reinstate imperial measures and offer items in pounds and ounces, according to reports over the weekend. Metric adoption in the United Kingdom began in 1965 and was formalised as an EU rule for specific items in 2000.